So before starting this video, I want to let you know that this video will be without any fancy editing. The only purpose of this video is to provide you the value regarding YouTube Shorts automation. In this video, I will guide you through a step-by-step process of how you can start a YouTube Shorts automation business and earn money through this. I will be going through each and every steps. So let's jump straight into the video. So you might have heard about YouTube automation. So that is mostly related to long form videos. You either go with a search based channels or you go with a browse based channel. But the problem with those channels are those channels require a very high budget if you want to run, because if you go with a long form videos, these videos usually cost you 50 to $100 per video if you don't make or record the videos by yourself. But the very best point about YouTube Shorts automation is that these videos are very low budget videos. If you don't record or edit the videos by yourself, this is only going to cost you $5 to $10 per video, and the return is much more. And so some of the features of YouTube Shorts automation is these are very low competition at the moment. These are very easy to create, as I said, and I will show you that why I am claiming this. There is a very high potential of going viral if you stick to one channel and follow the strategies that I'm going to show you in this video and upload 2 to 3 videos per day for 1 month. I'm giving you 100% guarantee that if you follow the exact same strategy, you are going to be successful. But the very important thing over here is the consistency. You don't need to skip even a one single day. So that is the point that you need to keep in your mind. And as I said, the return on investment is very high. The video that is going to cost you $5 to $10 is going to give you hundred and thousands of dollars in return. Now let me just show you what we are going to learn in this video. So this video will be having 5 to 6 parts. The very first point is that what are some of the best performing niches in YouTube Shorts and in YouTube Shorts automation where you don't need to even show your face. And then we will check those channels that are in those niches, and we will find that how we can find the videos that those channels are uploading, and we can record our own videos. In the next part, we will learn that how we can write the script and how we can do the voiceover, and finally how we can edit those videos. So first of all, let's discuss some of the best performing niches in YouTube Shorts automation. So one of the best performing niches right now on YouTube Shorts automation are these voiceover types videos. You might have seen these videos on YouTube Shorts where there is someone else clip and the creator of the channel do a voiceover, add subtitles and some arrows or circle on top of this videos, and they monetize these videos. The whole process is very easy in this case. If you are doing all the stuff by yourself, it is only going to take you 20 to 30 minutes to complete one single video. This is nothing compared to long form videos. So these are some of the channels. This is first one, this is second one, this is third one, this is fourth one. Now let me just quickly show you some of the channels that how much they are earning, so you get an inspiration from this video. So as you can see that I opened this channel in Social Blade, and as you can see, don't look at these numbers because these are wrong. This is specifically for long form videos where the you can see that the CPM for this range is between 0.25 to $4, but that is not the case with YouTube Shorts. On YouTube Shorts, you if you are getting the audience from tier 1 country like US, UK and Canada, then you can easily be able to get an RPM of 0.1 to $0.2. You might think that that's not too much, but you can see that with two uh, but you see the number of views you will be getting on these videos will be insane, and those RPM will justify it. As you can see that this channel in the last 30 days got 289 million views, and with $0.1 RPM, it this channel has easily made $29,000 per month, and this is the minimum. This could be $0.2 RPM or $0.15, and then you can do the estimation. Let me just quickly show you some other channels stats. Let's take this channel as an example. And as you can see that this channel made about 114,000 million views in the last 30 days, so you can take a rough estimate of up to 11,000 or $12,000 per month, so that's a good number. uh, Now let me just quickly show you how you can find the videos for these kind of channels. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to create a new Google Chrome profile where you need to subscribe these kind of channels. And if you don't know how to do this, just click on this button over here, scroll down and click on guest, and you will land on this. And over here you just type youtube.com and YouTube will open over here. So the whole purpose of this is because your official YouTube app has number of other subscribes channel. Those channel will be recommended to you on regular basis. If you don't want these videos to be recommended on your home feed, then you need to create a new profile. Just open it and click sign in over here, and sign in with another email on YouTube. So once you do this, you need to subscribe these kind of channels. This is the very first step, that how you can find the video ideas, which is this, that how you can find the video ideas. So first of all, you need to subscribe to these kind of channels like this one, this one, this one, and this one. These are some of the channels. There are tons of other channels, but once you subscribe these 4 to 5 channels, then YouTube will think that you are a kind of person that like these kind of videos. So it will start recommending you more and more such content, and you will keep subscribing those channels. And once you do this, you will start seeing that these kind of videos will start popping up on your home feed, and once you scroll through YouTube shorts. So what is the benefit of this? The advantage that you will get is you will get the video ideas. Like in my case over here, you'll see that if I see if this video is performing well, then it is a go to for my YouTube Shorts channel. I can record a video with my own voice or with AI voice. I will show you that how you can do this. And then just open this video. Let's say you want to create this video for your channel. Just open it in a new tab, and then you need to watch this video, that what is going on in this video. Like in this video, as I can see that this person is trying to balance this LCD on top of these bottles. So what I can do is I can simply go to YouTube search and type this in YouTube search. This boy is balancing the LCD on multiple bottles. So this is a simple query that I type and search. You can see that the very first video is not the same. The second one, third one, fourth one, none of this are the same. But if you scroll down, and you will see that this is the very same person that is in this video. You see, so we got the video, although it is balancing now another object, but that is a plus point that you can record or do the voiceover on top of it. But if you see this channel has 1.86 million, it means that it is an official channel. If I go to this channel, you see it has tons of videos related to this, so you would never run out of the video ideas. But that was just one example. The second option is you can do is just click over here and click description. And this person did not added any credit in this video, but most of the YouTubers right now are doing are putting the credit in the description of the video, or they write the person details on top of the video. So you can simply copy this and type in the YouTube or TikTok or Instagram from where they copied. Then you would be able to get the very same video and you can record it for yourself. So that was the two methods that how you can find the video ideas. The first one was YouTube, and you can also use Reddit to find the video ideas. You can see there I have here some subreddit where you can just scroll through and find the video ideas. If it has good number of upvotes, then you can find those. As you can see that this is also another subreddit. There is another one, and if you search on YouTube or search on Google or ask copilot that you need to some subreddit related to for some videos or related to some wow moments, then it will give you the list of the subreddit that you can finally use to find the video ideas. You can also use Twitter or TikTok to find the videos. The whole concept is you need to join the communities related to these videos, and from there you can find the video ideas. Now, the next step is once you have the video ideas, you need to write the script. Let me just quickly give you one of my script that I wrote. Here is you need to firstly go through the video itself. You need to know exactly what is going on and then describe it in your own words. And finally you can ask AI, you can ask copilot, you can ask ChatGPT 4. ChatGPT 3.5 does not give a good script, but you can try that as well. And now you can try Gemini, Google Gemini. You need to create a prompt for yourself that where you just roughly guide the AI that this is going on in this video, and I need you to write me less than 150 or 100 words of script, and it will do this for you. So this is how you can write the script. Now once you have the script, the uh, second part is that how you can do the voiceover. You can either do the voiceover by yourself, but as it is YouTube Shorts automation, I recommend you that you can use human-like AI voices. If you can do the voiceover by yourself, it is good, but you would not be able to do this on scale. If you want to do it on scale, and if you want to hand over this to some freelancers, then you need to go to AI. So one of the best and the very best in this niche is 11 Labs. You can try 11 Labs free trial by clicking the link in the description box. This will give you 10,000 free credit that you can use to create about 10 to 15 videos. That these are a free gift. So once you are here, you can just choose the voice that you like. You would see that most of the YouTubers right now are using Adam. Let me just quickly open it.
Allow the world to live as it chooses, and allow yourself to live as you choose.
uh, and there are many other as well. You can also do the voice cloning in 11 lab. You can do, if you have a very good voice, you can do voice cloning and then hand it over to any freelancer, or you can record it by yourself. So once you are here, just paste your script over here and click generate, and it will generate this for you. And click generate, and this will generate this for you. Once you have the voiceover, you have the video. Now the final part is you need to edit these videos. So how you can do this? I have did this video. You can see this is a lot of mm, I have added this video. Let me just quickly play a small portion of this video for you.
This is why you should never judge someone by their physique. And what happened at the end, you can't miss it. This guy was doing a social experiment where he was giving this bar to people and asking them if they could bend it for $100. The bar was very stiff and it seemed impossible to bend. He gave it to this young man who tried hard but failed. He gave it to this
Because you see, this is a video from a YouTuber, and I used it on my channel, and nothing happened, no copyright strike. Because in YouTube Shorts, YouTube actually gives some kind of security to you. If you put some effort, you do the voiceover, you add subtitle, you add arrows and circle, then there would be no issue at all you need is just to give the credit to the YouTuber. As you can see that I have given the credit on top of it, so if video goes viral, these channels will also get some views from those shorts as well. So it is a win-win for both the channels. And how I did this, I just paste the voiceover that I generated from a level names over here, and then a music that you can find on any YouTube. And if you like any of the voice from a YouTube video, you can just simply download and drag and drop over here, and then go to vocal isolation over here. And once you click this, you can remove vocals and you will get the voiceover alone. This is why you should never, and you will get the music alone. So that's how you can find the music related to any video. On top of it, I have added some arrows and circles so that I add as much value in the video as possible, so that I can get rid of the strike. And here on top of it, there are subtitles that you can see over here. Just go to text section over here, click on auto caption. From here, click on English, and once you click on create, the subtitles will be generated automatically. Then you need to animate it. Just go to animations, click on captions, and from here you can choose any style from here. And once you do this, just go to the basic section over here, choose your font, select the size, select it should be bold, it can be all capital or small, or capital and small. And then from here you need to add the stroke, you need to add the shadow, and that's it. So that's how you can create these kind of videos very easily. If you want this to be in full in depth with a 2 hour course, I have already created a course on this that you can just that you can get by clicking the link in the description. And it is a very detailed course that will help you to understand each and every process in a step by step. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.